In this video, we will go through the SKU FNSKU function. The function lets you convert SKU to FNSKU, ASIN to FNSKU, FNSKU to SKU, and FNSKU to ASIN. Let's start with the SKU to FNSKU first. Let me remove this. So the first parameter is seller ID, then it's the SKU. These both are required. Direction and marketplace are the third and fourth parameters. Both of these are optional. Now there's something we need to pay attention to. So SKU to FNSKU is the default direction. You will still need to use the same SKU to FNSKU direction to convert ASIN to FNSKUs. So if you are converting either from SKU to FNSKU or ASIN to FNSKU, you will need to use the same direction, SKU to FNSKU. Let me show you what I mean. So the first parameter is seller ID. My seller ID is in D1. Then comes the SKU. So SKU. Now I can leave the direction parameter empty since SKU to FNSKU is the default configuration, and I'm going to leave the marketplace parameter empty as well. So this is what I get. So these are the FNSKUs for the SKUs that I selected. Now we get an error here. The reason is because we are using ASIN to FNSKU and there's no such direction. But if I use SKU to FNSKU and use the ASINs and convert them to FNSKUs, I will still need to say SKU to FNSKU, not ASIN to FNSKU. So here I have this range selected and it says ASIN to FNSKU, but still it doesn't work. But here we have the same range selected and it says SKU to FNSKU and this one works. So we need to make sure that we type the correct direction. Now let's say we want to convert the FNSKU to SKU. Here first we have the seller ID, then the FNSKUs here. So the column E consists of FNSKUs. Then the direction is FNSKU to SKU. So you see now here we have SKUs exactly as these. And then if we want to convert FNSKU to ASIN, we still use the seller ID, the range where I have the FNSKUs, and then the direction says FNSKU to ASIN. So this is how you use the SKU FNSKU function. Please note that it is always recommended to use ranges like this one wherever possible so that you do not exhaust the Google's quota. That results in not being able to pull the data for the next 24 hours. And for people in Europe, they will need to use semicolon instead of comma depending on their locale settings. Other than this, in case the subscription ID does not save, use incognito mode of your browser to bypass Google cache issue. Thank you.